Master Resell Rights, the hottest new business opportunity for beginners. Have you heard about the latest game changer that is sweeping through the online world? Allow me to introduce you to the exciting opportunity of Master Resell Rights, a phenomenon that is not only taking over TikTok, but also catching the attention of the entire internet. My name is Michael and I've been a digital marketer for a little over 3 years now. When I first stumbled upon this Master Resell Rights opportunity, I admit I was a bit skeptical, but as the buzz grew, I took a step back and I approached it with an objective outlook. Rather than jumping to conclusions, I chose to dive in and do my due diligence, and boy was I in for a surprise. The first thing that truly amazed me during my research is the overwhelming positive feedback from the people who had bought into this program. In the digital marketing and make money online space where many products fail to deliver on their promises, finding an opportunity that actually delivered was rare. But that's exactly what I found with Master Resell Rights. I couldn't find a single person who had bought into this program and had regretted it. It seemed like it was being represented exactly for what it is. However, as I dove deeper into my research, I stumbled across some naysayers who were criticizing this Master Resell Rights opportunity, and what I noticed was a pattern amongst these critics. It became abundantly clear that many of the individuals that were bashing this opportunity were in fact trying to sell something else. Whether it was another affiliate marketing education program or more commonly their own coaching services, they seem to have a hidden agenda. It struck me that these individuals might be attempting to discredit this opportunity to steer you to their own offerings. I have to admit, it's savvy marketing, but it doesn't necessarily represent the whole truth about Master Resell Rights. So, what's my goal with this video? Well, I want to provide you with an honest assessment of Master Resell Rights, separate from all the noise and hidden agendas. But first, I decided to experience this opportunity firsthand. You see, I believe in putting my money where my mouth is, so I purchased the program to investigate it thoroughly. To my surprise, what I found was a program that was genuinely beneficial, especially for beginners. It doesn't promise groundbreaking secrets that's not available elsewhere on the internet. Instead, it offers one of the best step-by-step setup guides for newcomers. Now let's get into the good part, right? What is Master Resell Rights really? Master Resell Rights, aka MRR, is a licensing right. It is not the name of the course itself. It's similar to other terms you may have heard, such as PLR, private label rights, or white label rights. When you purchase a product with Master Resell Rights, you gain the license to resell it, usually at a minimum price or any price higher than that. The course itself is called Roadmap to Riches, and the Master Resell Rights component comes into play when you're given the opportunity to resell the course for 100% profit. Now, let me clarify that this concept isn't new. In fact, I bought my first PLR product back 3 years ago, so it's been around for a while. What's making Master Resell Rights unique is the buzz it's generating, particularly on social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram. The step-by-step training it offers, along with its straightforward approach, is resulting in success stories for beginners. Many newcomers are earning a significant income within their first few weeks, and that buzz makes it easier to sell. So where is the real opportunity for you? It lies in the buzz. Whenever there is a groundswell of interest, it becomes easier to sell a product. Think of it like surfing. You can ride the wave created by the buzz instead of creating the wave yourself. That's the potential that you have here. Now let's discuss what happens when you resell this product. The Roadmap to Riches course contains modules that guide you through setting everything up step by step. This course teaches beginners how to set up online sales processes, funnels, domains, emails, content creation, and more. It hit me that this course is invaluable for those who are starting from scratch. While seasoned marketers might not find groundbreaking information, beginners can gain a solid foundation. Another great thing is that for beginners, the challenge is often sifting through overwhelming information. The course simplifies things, focusing on the basics rather than the cutting edge strategies. For those looking to start making money online, it's precisely what they need. Another awesome thing to point out is that there is nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing else quite like this at such an affordable price. The course offers foundational knowledge on setting up an online business for less than $500, a rare find in today's market. Now, let me share a crucial difference between Master Resell Rights and affiliate marketing. While 100% commission might seem enticing, what's truly remarkable about this opportunity is the speed at which you gain access to your earnings. Unlike affiliate marketing, where you wait weeks or even months for your commissions, here you can get access to your income more quickly, typically within a week or even 2 to 3 days. In summary, Master Resell Rights, when understood correctly, provides a no-risk opportunity for a valuable education. You can learn the fundamentals and the building blocks of building an online business without breaking the bank. Plus, you have the chance to leverage the buzz in the market to your advantage. But a word of caution: when I went through the program, I found the default funnel lacking in customization. To address this, I've created a special bonus for those who join Master Resell Rights through my reselling program. Simply click on the link in the comments or description to access my funnel. It's a well-designed, high-converting, customizable funnel that you can import into your account with one click of a button. I also provide a checklist to help you customize it for your brand and your business needs. So if you have any questions or need any further information about the Master Resell Rights opportunity, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section down below. I'll be monitoring and responding to your questions. In addition, stay tuned for future follow-up videos as I share my results with you as I embark on this exciting journey. If you found this video valuable, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload that's going to help you make money online. Thank you and God bless.